Lyft are operating today in southern Nevada. The ride-hailing companies announced their drivers are picking up passengers despite Clark County commissioners turning down a request for a temporary business license. 8 News Now reporter Karen Castro is here with a breakdown of what's happening.
Yeah, and Paula, just yesterday, the state gave Uber and Lyft the green light to operate in Nevada. Now, today, the Clark County Commission introduced an ordinance requiring ride-hailing companies to get a business license here locally. Both companies told commissioners they want to work together and sort out the process, but minutes after the hearing, Lyft and Uber announced they are in business.
You'll say what you need to say at the appropriate time to get the license.
Lyft and Uber representatives went before Clark County commissioners and told them the ride-hailing companies are committed to working with the county and flesh out business license requirements. The county currently does not have a business license that applies for transportation network companies.
To try and create as simple and streamlined business license process as possible.
While both companies raised concerns about fees, commissioners had concerns of their own. Representatives from both companies were repeatedly asked if they would do business in the valley if the commission didn't grant them a temporary business license.
As of this morning, I don't know. Commissioner Kay?
I think it's unclear.
The fact that you can't even answer those questions is frustrating.
Commissioners also said drivers should have to apply for their own business license because they are considered independent contractors. Again, Lyft and Uber did not give a straight answer. Meanwhile, neither company had lawyers present to answer legal questions, which added to the frustration of some commissioners.
Those folks have very expensive attorneys. You know, during the legislative session, they've probably hired 50 people, and to only see 2 of them here today is disappointing.
I feel they were unprepared, and to give some of the answers that they gave, I was very, very disappointed in the way that they handled the situation.
And after more than an hour of questions with vague or no clear answers, commissioners denied both companies' request for a temporary business license. But Uber and Lyft say they are operating with the state's permission.
I'm all for new things and new technology, but we have to slow down and we have to do them correctly.
Now, the Uber and Lyft representatives present at the meeting denied a request for an on-camera interview. Now, the county has scheduled a public hearing for October 20th. Now, if commissioners approve the ordinance, both ride-hailing companies could get permission to operate in the county as soon as October 21st. Paul?
Karen, thank you. Those firefighters